I'm going to teach you a very simple and funny song so you guys can remember the different parts of a plant. Now, we humans, we have our heads, we have our shoulders, knees, and toes, but plants have their flowers, leaves, stem, and roots, okay? And sometimes, when they have those flowers, they will also later on change and turn into fruit, a fruit that we can eat. Ready? Flowers, leaves, stem and roots, flowers, leaves, stem and roots, stem and roots. Now we're going to make some yummy fruit and we're gonna eat. Now, let's do it a little bit faster. Are you guys ready? Flowers, leaves, stem and roots, flowers, leaves, stem and roots, stem and roots. Now we're going to eat some yummy fruit and let's go and now. Oops, I changed it. Doesn't matter. Ready? 3, 2, 1, super fast. Flowers, stem, leaves, and roots. Stem and root. Oh no! I put the leaves and the stem on the. Oh no! Look what happens when you go fast. Okay, let's do it this time. Super concentrated. Super ready. 3, 2, 1. Flowers, leaves, stem and roots. Flowers, leaves, stem and roots. Then we're going to make some yummy fruit and we're gonna eat. Flowers, leaves, stem and roots. Flowers, leaves, stem and roots. Then we're going to have some yummy fruit and we're gonna eat. I hope you're eating your fruits and veggies because they're really, really, really good for you. I look really funny this way. I'm gonna move back. Okay, so these are the parts of the plant. You have your flowers, your leaves, your stem, and your roots. And from the flowers, the plant will later on make a fruit. And if you cut the fruit open, you're going to find a little seed. Hey guys, say hello to Gigi. Gigi is my lovely plant, and like most plants, Gigi has roots which are inside the soil in the pot. Gigi also has a beautiful stem, some nice leaves, and some flowers. Do you guys like flowers? Do you like plants? Well, today we're going to learn a lot about plants, and in particular about leaves. Leaves have some funny lines all through the whole surface of the leaf. Now, these little lines are called veins. Now, you might be wondering why they might be called veins, but if you think about it, what do veins do in us people? What flows through the veins, guys? You can mostly see them here, okay? On the other side too, sometimes on your hands. Veins are actually the blood vessels, they're little canals through which blood flows. And blood carries a lot of important things in our body. So in plants and in leaves, veins do a very similar purpose. What they do is they help transport water and food. We're going to do a leaf rubbing so you can look at the pattern of leaves even better. You can do it with any leaf, but the best ones are the ones that have really, really visible veins, okay? So those little canals and sticks that seem to be coming from the middle. Okay, now I'm going to use this little guy because when I flip it on the back side, you can see that the veins are quite well visible. And this means I'm going to be able to rub them off of the leaf onto a piece of paper really nicely. Okay, so what do we need? Super simple. We need a leaf. Please make sure it's not a dried up leaf because you're just going to be crunching it up and it's not going to work. You need a green leaf. You need a piece of paper. And you need some crayons. Now, usually what I like to do is I like to peel the crayons, and I know how much you guys like peeling crayons, so now is the right time to do it. I'm going to take orange, for example, but you could use any color to your liking. Now the important thing is, because you wanna transfer the vein pattern to the piece of paper, you need to make sure that it's in contact, it's touching the paper. So you're going to put the leaf with the top side with the smooth side down, so that all of the veins that are coming out of the leaf and up are gonna be facing up. So this you put down on your table, just like this, and then you just sandwich it on top with your piece of paper, okay? Now you take your crayon, and it's super duper important that you don't go pushing really hard, because everything's gonna get so dark you're not gonna be able to see anything. You have to do it gently and lightly. You can always apply more force, but you cannot unapply it. So don't go you have to be gentle, and you have to do it nice and easy. And what helps is, instead of holding the crayon down like normally you would for coloring, just hold it along the long side. Let me show you actually with the big one so you can see it better. So I would hold it this way, not this way, because now I'm going to press too much. The idea is to press very lightly. So you're going to hold it this way. Okay, let's do it with the orange so you can see it a little better. And please make sure the leaf and the piece of paper don't move, because you're going to have twin leaves, or you'll be having like a crazy hologram of like moving things. The leaf was here, the leaf was there, where is the leaf? Okay, so gentle, without much pressure. Okay, so here, I know where the leaf is, so I'm gonna go kind of like over there. Actually, let me just bring the camera a little closer so you can see a little better, okay? Okay, so now I hope you can see a little bit better. What I've done is I've changed the leaf because the other one already got a little crushed. And now we're going to have a smaller leaf, and I will show you how you have to do it the right way. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Gently, without moving the paper or the leaf underneath. You kind of know where the leaf is, so you don't have to go all over the piece of paper. If I press too much, I might damage the leaf too much, so it doesn't really show me where the contours or where the veins are. So I'm being as careful as I can be, also making sure that the leaf is visible when I'm transferring it to the piece of paper. Okay, it's a very gentle and faint picture, but you can kind of see right where the veins are. And it's really, really pretty and beautiful. And you can make this for many other leaves and see what their vein pattern is. I hope you liked it.